Honesty is often seen as a simple moral principle, but its power goes far beyond just being truthful. When we embrace honesty, it can lead to incredible outcomes that might not be immediately obvious. From unlocking new opportunities in life and work, to repairing broken relationships, to even receiving unexpected blessings, honesty can be transformative. In a world where trust and integrity are highly valued, being honest isn't just about doing the right thing. It's about opening doors to a brighter, more connected future. Let's explore how the power of honesty can reshape your life in ways you may never have imagined. Honesty is often thought of as simply telling the truth, but it holds so much more power than that. By practicing honesty, we open the doors to new opportunities, repair broken relationships, and invite unexpected blessings into our lives. In this video, we're going to explore exactly how honesty can positively change your life, one truthful step at a time. Being honest not only builds trust but also creates an environment where new opportunities can arise. When you're transparent and upfront in your personal or professional life, people are more likely to trust you with important tasks, responsibilities, and even opportunities for growth. Imagine you're at work, and you're honest about needing help on a project. While this may feel vulnerable, it also opens the door for collaboration, learning, and even mentorship. Coworkers and supervisors are more likely to offer assistance or guidance, which can lead to career advancement. On the flip side, if you conceal your struggles, you risk missed opportunities because no one knows you need support. Companies and leaders value integrity, and often those who are honest, even about their mistakes, are seen as reliable and trustworthy. In turn, this honesty can lead to promotions, partnerships, or new career paths that would have otherwise stayed hidden. Now, let's talk about the unexpected blessings that come when we choose to live honestly. When you practice honesty, not only do you gain the respect of others, but life tends to reward you in ways you didn't anticipate. Have you ever experienced a situation where telling the truth led to an opportunity you couldn't have predicted? Maybe you were honest about not being qualified for a job, only to be offered a position better suited for your skills. Or perhaps, being upfront about a personal struggle led to support from an unexpected source, strengthening your faith in those around you. In many cases, honesty sets off a chain reaction of positivity that brings good fortune back into your life. While it may not always be instant, living with integrity often creates a ripple effect that eventually leads to opportunities, kindness, and blessings in ways you may never expect. So, the next time you're faced with a choice between honesty and avoidance, remember that the truth does more than just clear the air. It invites new opportunities, repairs relationships, and brings unforeseen blessings into your life. Honesty pays off, not just in terms of integrity, but in creating a life full of trust, growth, and meaningful connections. Thanks for watching. If you've experienced the power of honesty in your own life, we'd love to hear your story in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the message of how honesty truly pays.